Today we are making curry vegetable rice. If you're interested in this delicious dish, let's make it together. First, we're adding some olive oil to our pot along with piece of butter. Guys, you know I'm a chiffon butter girly, but I'm trying to stay away from that because it's not real butter, it's margarine, right? So we're melting down the butter in the olive oil, and then we're going to add some crushed garlic and pimento seed along with a spoonful of curry powder, right? And then on medium low heat, we are going to, most of us Jamaicans say burn, but we kind of toast it, right? So we're going to toast it in the oil, and guys, make sure it's on medium low heat, right? After about a minute, I'm gonna go in with some wash mixed vegetables, and we are curry the mixed vegetable, right? So just saute that into the pot for a while before you add anything to the pot. This is the curry powder that I'm using. It's the Blue Mountain curry powder, and this is the hot one. I enjoy this. This wasn't bad, but Beta Pack is my favorite. While that's going, I'm going to wash my rice. I'm using the Foco Thai long grain jasmine rice. This is my favorite rice. It is absolutely nice, right? And it's shelly, fluffy. It just works well for me. So if you can find this in your local supermarket, that would be nice for you to try it and see what it's all about. I try to link it for you, but I can't find it nowhere. It was on Walmart, but it's sold out, and from then I haven't seen it again, right? So we're washing the rice, and guys, I wash my rice 3-4 times depending on how the water look after the final wash, but that's solely up to you. You have some people don't wash the rice. I don't have a problem with that. I grew up washing rice, so therefore that's why I wash rice. But yeah, people don't wash rice, and it's none of my business, because even if you look at the description some of the time, or the direction, not the description, it doesn't say on some of the rice, it doesn't say to rinse the rice. So who am I to judge? Here I'm just washing the rice until the water runs clear. After that, we add it to the pot. So just ensure all the water is drained from your rice, and then we're gonna go ahead and add that rice to the pot. Alright, and then we are going to go in with the rice. Alright. After you add the rice to the pot, and guys, remember I said to make sure all the liquid is removed from the rice before you add it to the pot. This is why, because we don't want no liquid inside the rice. So when you add it to the pot, you're gonna use your spoon and just stir. You're gonna stir till all the grains of the rice is coated with the curry sauce, right? Because you don't want to have no pitchy patchy rice when you're done. You don't want to have white and yellow rice over here, so, and it just look uneven. So do this part first, saute your rice before you do anything else, right? So go in occasionally, stir it until the color looks as beautiful as this, and then we're gonna go in with some chicken stock. Guys, if you don't have chicken stock, all you need to do is add some water, and then you add some all-purpose season and ensure that the rice tastes good, right? So you add your scallion, thyme, and your hot pepper. Guys, I did pierce the pepper, right? And then you combine, give a taste test. If you need to add a little salt, add a little salt. Do whatever. You have some people rather the coconut milk instead of the stock. That's up to you. It just depends on your preference. I don't like my rice too heavy, so that's why I use the stock, right? After you taste it and it tastes good, you cover the pot and allow it to simmer on medium low heat until about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you go back in and you check. Once the water dries out of the rice, you're gonna remove your pepper, right? And you're gonna fluff your rice. While I'm fluffing the rice, I'm looking for the thyme that I add to the rice earlier. All right, I found it. I'm gonna remove it. So shake off the excess rice off, right? Remove it from the pot, and then you go back in and finish fluffing your rice, right? This part is important. You have to fluff the rice to release all that steam that is trapped inside the rice, because if you don't release it, the rice is going to keep cooking and get soggy, right? So you want to release that trapped steam so that the rice becomes fluffy and nice. So when you like, if you like your rice fluffy and chilly and airy, this is what you have to do. Fluff the rice, right? And if it needs more steaming, you cover it and allow it to steam a little more. This was perfect at this point, so I did turn the stove off, and that was it. So this is your yellow vegetable or curry vegetable rice. Now me, I am a little extra at times. So what I did was sear some shrimp and some crab meat that I had in my fridge. And then I just turn out the pot of curry vegetable rice into it and just give it a nice mix. So if you're like me, you can also mix up everything together. But this rice is nice, served with all different type of meat, some baked chicken, some fried chicken, whatever. And you can eat by itself also because it was so delicious, right? I just me extra. So if you're interested in trying this, it's okay. I think I posted a video of this already, how I did it. But if not, you can just scroll down and you'll definitely find it. And guys, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to keep supporting. I do appreciate you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Big up on yourself.